going on, guys? Came back here to this spot. Got Lucas with me. He's over there looking around. But yeah, I noticed there was a lot of things with the video yesterday that I posted, and I'm getting a new SD card that actually processes 4K video, so hopefully that'll help things out. And also I got to figure out something with the wind, because the wind was a huge factor in the video and a bunch of stuff. So like I said, I'm still trying to figure out all the bells and whistles, but yeah, so I'm gonna take them down here and hopefully we're gonna get ourselves some ideally I'd like to get some fossorial snakes, like, you know, smoother snakes, ringnecks, worm snakes. I'd love to get a red belly. This seems like a great place to get a red belly, so we'll see. A nifty little bug here. I just kind of want to test out the focus here. See what it's looking like. That's too cool. Well, we found a nifty little spot here that has all this bark and stuff everywhere, so that's pretty cool. Nice little overview of the lake. It just looks amazing. Got Lucas over there doing something. So we just found this pack of butterflies. Looks super freaking cool. I don't know, what are they doing? They're all monarch butterflies.
No, monarchs are orange.
Those aren't monarchs?
No.
What are they?
I don't know, but they're not monarchs.
See how close I can get into their heads. What are they doing? I want to see what they're doing. Holy crap. Look how clear that is.
Oh my god.
They're eating on something. That's zoomed in all the way, dude. Look. What are you doing? We found this little spot here, this little rest area. And the butterflies are right over there. I don't know if you can hear me because I know this wind on this thing is horrible. But yeah, pretty nifty. Weird not to see any snakes up in these trees, but we still got some trail to go, so we'll see. So right here we have what appears to be
some sort of slider.
I think that's a yellow belly. Maybe a yellow belly. Sorry for the shakiness, but I had this thing zoomed in all the way, so it's... But yeah, cool. I got a herp. So, want to find out what we just did?
We walked way too far uphill.
All the way down there. Yeah.
Yeah, you see that tiny bit of water? That's where the turtle was.
Yeah. And this is like a steady incline, but it's...
And then look behind us. It just goes.
Oh yeah, that's just straight up. And I don't even know what's over there, but
probably more uphill.
Probably.
Damn.
But yeah, it's a pretty view.
Yeah.
Well, we made it back to the car. There it is. And ready to go down this one?
Nope.
Why?
I want to check out that creek next to where I park.
Oh, apparently there's a creek next to where we parked. I guess we're gonna check that out. So hopefully we'll get a herp down there. We'll see. This wind is